Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to add image alt text to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account, after which now at the left side of the screen in the home page you can find all the sections you can use for managing your store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding alt text to your images. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen under the sales channels. You want to click online store. This is automatically going to open up this themes section option right here, where you can take a look at the theme that you're using and you can get started customizing it. So what we're going to do guys is click the customize button right here next to the theme. Once you have clicked the customize button, this is now going to open up this new editor mode where we can take a look at our header, template, and so on, and all the image that we have. So basically guys, as you can see right here on the help Shopify page, we can take a look at how to add the alt text to theme images. So what we need to do guys is from the theme editor sidebar, as I have just opened up the editor, show you how you do it. You want to click the section with the image that needs alt text, and on the image click edit. So you want to find the image right here. Let's say this is the image banner, and on this image you want to go ahead and click edit option. So once you have clicked to edit it, as you can see I currently don't have an image, but click your image right here and then the edit option is going to appear. So under editor guys, you'll be able to see in the dialog that appears you want to enter in the alternative text, and then you can just click save, that is here in the upper right corner, and that is how easily you can get started with adding alt text to your images in Shopify. So it's easy to do as that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.